Guantanamo Bay prison will be shut down. I think it's a great idea because, like Barack Obama said, America do not torture. Some of you may agree, some of you may disagree, and that's okay. That's what it's all about. We all have our different opinions about different situations. But I think by closing this prison down, Guantanamo Bay, it sends a clear message that America do not torture. And also, it helps America to restore their image, you know what I'm saying, back to a respectable image. Because right now, no other country in Arab, in the Muslim world, don't respect us. Because they feel that, you know, their people's getting tortured for no reason. Now Barack's going to send a message saying that, you know what, there's other ways we can get information besides torturing someone. So that's my opinion, y'all. I think it was the right thing to do to shut this prison down because, like Barack said, America don't torture. So what you guys think? Was it the right move or was it the wrong move? All right, let me know what's up.